Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we're going to be making a wall hanging using these two plaques right here that I got from the Dollar General. Aren't they nice? They are so cute. So we'll be using that masking tape. We'll be using the black paint apple barrel. I got that at Walmart. And that cork sheet I got at the Crafter Square at the Dollar Tree. We'll be using that paintbrush and also these felt letters that I also got at the Crafter Square. Everything else I'll be using to create this craft is down in the description box below. So let's jump right into it, guys. So right here, I am using the masking tape to tape off the center of both of those mason jar plaques. So the top portion of that mason jar, I'll be painting in black, and the bottom portion, I'll be using the cork sheet to cover that portion of it. I got this inspiration from something I saw at Pinterest. You'll see what I mean. Okay, so now at this point right here, I've already cut the cork sheets to place on the bottom of those mason jar plaques. And then I decided to go get the buffalo check ribbon because I thought two little tiny buffalo check bows on the top of those metal jar plaques would look so cute. at this point here, I'm gluing the cork sheet to the bottom half of those mason jars, and I'm absolutely loving the simplicity of this look. I was in Pinterest and I was looking at the Scandinavian decor, and like I said, for pennies you can make such an elegant and very high-end looking gift, and I'm very pleased with the results of this. Okay, so I'm loving how this is looking already. So now we're going to move on to the felt letters and what I spelled. So on one mason jar, it's going to say above all, and the second one's going to say love. I just love that. Okay, I'm absolutely loving the outcome of this project. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, click like, share, and comment. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have a nice evening, guys.